What is going on, everybody? Saleh here, and in this video I'm going to break down the new Akashx V2 platform, which is completely taking the trading world by storm. For the last, I'd say, probably 15 months. When I came here, the brand had about 1,000 members, and fast forward to now, we have over 18,000 members globally and growing. And our main focus is to help aspiring digital entrepreneurs and digital traders basically get to their goals of achieving financial freedom, potentially depending on the efforts that you put in. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is meant to be financial advice. You should always do your own research with anything that has anything to do with the financial markets. So I'm super excited to unveil the new Akashx V2 platform. I'm going to do this as quick as I possibly can. Let's go ahead and dive right into the video. I'm super excited to show this to you. And as you can see here, guys, with our incredible ecosystem, you can see the new UI design is so incredible. So much thought, effort, engineering, and emphasis was put in to putting this entire new ecosystem together. When you first come in, you click on Learn About Akashx, and it's going to bring you directly to the World of Trading Beginner platform. And when you click on it, it's basically going to tell you how Akashx can help you, what you can do, and you're going to learn from myself and all the other educators here. And you're going to go through this course and basically learn exactly how you can utilize this entire ecosystem, which is really exciting. So now when we go back to the home page, you can basically see everything here. My account is connected. This is basically, and I'll show you why it is connected to the ecosystem. So first things first, let's go straight into the trade portal. So when you go into the trade portal, first you're going to see the entire trading view, UI here as well, which is really exciting. You have these widgets over here as well, showing you what's going on. You can close the widget if you want, make the chart a little bit bigger. You have access to pretty much turn this on and off. And you do have access to, changing a few things as well. So you can go to candles, you have some indicators you could use. So just to get some confluence, so you have a little bit of charting here. Now we have a feature here called Tap to Trade, where we send a notification directly to your mobile phone. And once you get that notification, you literally just click approve and it enters a trade for you on your MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or TradeLocker application. And basically you can approve that trade directly from here. So it'll let you know if it's a buy or a sell. It'll tell you the entry, the stop loss, the take profit. This is just an example up here. And then basically you have 2 minutes to enter the trade. You click approve on the web page, or you can do it directly on your mobile phone. So then it'll show you basically all the trades that are populating here, and you can funnel between educators and see what their trades are. You could come here and take a look. Right here we had Rich call the trade today on the 10th. That's TP1 hit. Over here TP4 hit. So you could go through all the educators and you can see their previous trades. So it's a really clean, really nice UX UI design platform. Now we do over 50 live trading sessions per week. So as you can see here, you could come and look at the calendar. Today's Thursday. We have a session at 8 o'clock. It's now past that, but if this session was live, you could click on it and watch it directly here, which is really exciting. Now, if we go back to that section, we could click on recorded, and you can actually come in here, and let's say you wanted to watch one of Arabella's previously recorded sessions, you could do that directly right here, which is absolutely amazing. So let's go over to the Academy. We'll go to all the courses. So one thing I really love about the courses here is if you click on the courses and you start now, like look how clean this entire UI design is. I mean, I've not seen anything as clean as this. You could check out your whole entire progress on the LMS software. We have the ability to add quizzes and all that kind of stuff back there. So really exciting. And again, we have descriptions and everything back here as well. Super, super clean. And this Academy, guys, if we go to all the courses, we just launched this. So there's a bunch of courses and a bunch of content that we're going to be uploading into this ecosystem, and all of our educators will be making more and more content as we go. Then we have our crypto trading system. So right here, we have all of our crypto trading beginner modules, so you can go in and learn how to trade in the crypto markets. Guys, crypto just hit over $3.5 trillion in market cap. So guys, right now it's not the time for you to be sleeping on crypto whatsoever. This thing is going to the moon. And then we actually have our tools section here, which is our market scanners. So if we go to the Go scanner, you're going to see a beautiful UI design here, amazing user experience, and you can see here it's going to call trades for you. And the more stars the trade has, the better the trade is. So if we go here, let's try to find a 3-star trade right here. So it's saying sell Tron USDT, and as you can see here, it called to sell and you could have entered that trade. We have a buy on US oil right here. It got in at the bottom candle, and we have multiple different scanners, and we have educators around this. If we go to the breakout momentum scanner, which is probably one of my favorites, and you can come here and see that it's calling all these entries. Now you can refine these entries though by going to the 15-minute and the 1 hour time frame. So let's just change this to the 1 hour time frame, and if you can see, there's obviously less entries on the 1 hour time frame. But if you would have gotten into a multitude of these buys, if you're watching the market and some of these sells, you could have gotten out in profit. So all of these indicators and scanners are back here for you to use. Let's find this other 3-star buy right here. Boom, you would have been in and out. You would have caught that trade on the hour candle. And as I said, we do have education behind this, so you guys will be able to use these as you go through the process. We have multiple scanners here, smart cash scanner as well. So you can basically come here and find your entries and basically do whatever it is that you want to do. And we have some custom built scanners that are coming to this ecosystem. So I'm super excited for this Akashx V2. It's one of the cleanest rollouts that I've seen. And if we go to the Akashx website, look how clean this is. I mean, we just completely remastered and reinvented the entire Akashx website. Actually, let's go to app.akashx. This is an old one. So if we go to basically logged in, so we'll just go back to this one. So if you come back here, you basically see everything here: the trade alerts, live charts, trade providers, tap to trade, which is our flagship product. You can follow your provider. And the best part is, guys, you can get all of this for literally just $149. So let's go ahead and click the get started button. It's $149 a month. $149 a month. And guess what? It's $179 to start, $149 a month. And every single one of our members gets a $10,000 trading challenge account to trade with. And if you come in on the annual membership, okay, you get access to everything I just talked about. Plus you get a 200K challenge account to trade with at no additional cost to you. So once you get started with either of these packs, you will be receiving a welcome email, and you can get credentials to actually get yourself a 10K challenge account or a 200K challenge account. So you don't even have to worry about depositing funds in your own account. Super excited for this. Take advantage of this while limited supply lasts. Super excited for this partnership with TradeX Mastery. And look, now is the time for you to take action. Again, my name is Ali Saleh. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one. Take care and stay blessed.